to get this down, this from here to here, a quarter. So I'm gonna keep taking off till I'm at a quarter, and then we can put these together. Basically done. Basically, what I'm doing is this moves in and out on that dial right there. In and out, in and out. I move out. I come in. With this, in this way, forward, forward. This one. Get it in. And I use this one to come in. Once I touch, I'm at 0. When I'm touching, 0 means I just gotta find out where it is. So if it's 73, when I touch, that's my 0. So if I want to cut 50 off, I'm just gonna go 50 up, and that would be the 0. And we add 50 to 73, and that's how you do it. Then you just find 0, back it up, come back out, go in 50, and then go that way and cut, take off. That's simple. Okay, so I just made another cut at 50. On this machine. So you have to know whether or not it's a radius or a diameter machine. So since I said I had 130, if this, depending on whether this is a radius or a diameter machine, 50 on this machine might mean 100. So instead of saying 2 cuts and then 1 last cut, it might be 1 cut and 1 last cut. So I'm gonna measure right now, see where I'm at, and if this was, whichever, depending on what machine it is, this might have just been